Okay, today we're going to fix a keying disc on a Diamond 1. At least the previous idiot had to slide in upside down. Take the new one, stick it right in there. This is not rocket science. Notice the central key has to be vertical on the Diamond style. Probably can't see this on the video, but it's full of nasty old dust and dirt, but that's normal. That's every hospital I've ever been to, and I've been to a bunch. It's just what goes on behind the walls. Okay, don't tighten that up just yet. Get it too tight, you're not going to be able to get the other screws in. Hopefully you're bored by now. This should be a very boring video because this is amazingly easy stuff. I think a 3-year-old can do this just about. Alright, one more screw to go. Looks like the hole's lined up even. Wow, I guess this is my advertisement for the Black & Decker VPX series with these handy little lithium-ion batteries. This thing's about 4 years old. It's worked wonderful for me. I love it. Now we're going to test this thing real quick to make sure it works. Perfect. And you notice we put the slide on correctly. That's it for this training video.